Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is my topic Canada Truck Liar. Let's go your website and search Canada Truck Liar. The best lawyer truck accident liars. There are about 40 million trucks operating in the United States. In 2019, about people were insured, including who were killed in accidents involving trucks. Semi-trucks often weigh over pounds. Big rigs take a longer to stop than cars, and they have bigger blind spot and human drivers who often drive long hauls, and the potential for catastrophic accident is tremendous. If you are someone you know is involved in a trucking accident, you will properly someone you know involved in a truck accident, you will probably have a lot of questions related to the accident, injuries sustained, medical cost, and other common questions about truck accident. What should I do if I am involved in an accident with a truck? Accident involving heavy truck and tractor tractor are even more dangerous than auto accidents because if the size of truck emergency medical car may be necessary. Call 911 immediately and make sure everyone is safe. Try to gather as much information as possible at the scan of the accident. Get the driver name, license number, and contact info. Name of the trucking company, trucks license plate number, contact information for any witness etc. Take pictures of everything: vehicle damage, injuries, skid marks, debris, and traffic. If the policy responds, make note of the accident report number. When speaking with police, do not take responsibility for the accident. Speak to an attorney as soon as possible. Trucking companies and insurance companies have attorney who are ready to fight to avoid paying you any compensations. You need an experienced attorney on your side. What do I do after a trucking accident? You should immediately contact an attorney who is experienced with the trucking accident. Do not speak to the trucking company or its insurance agents. They will try to use that you say agents you to deny or diminish your claims. Do not sign in documents or accept any settlements. Let your attorney handle all communications and Negatives. What do I need to provide to many authority? Truck accidents claims are more complicated than regular motor vehicle accident claims. An authority will protect your rights and handle the process for your documents, everything including police reports, medical reports, bills, paperwork and photos of the accidents can and injures document time lost at work and any correspondence form authority or insurance companies. An experienced truck accident authority will investigate the accident and gather extensive advice including witness testimony. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।